It's your boy, Cheeto! And I am back. Okay, I am back. And today, I'm going to be doing how to pop your knuckles tutorial. Okay, so watch. To start it off, you want to go with, I guess, your phone. So you just want to get it here, pull it with like that, yum. And then for the pinkies, boom. And then these, you just twist like this. Boom. Now, that is half of the video done. I know it's amazing, right? The other half is going to be shoe collection. Luke Barber, if you're watching this right now, here are the foams. Yeah, that's them. And then you got these trashes. You got these Hirachis. You know what? I'm not doing this. This video is going to take too long to edit. I can't do it anymore. Okay. Until next time, it's been your boy, Cheeto!